Hello, Brainy Bunnies. Today we are learning how to write numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. Look carefully at number 1. Now try 1. O-N-E. One great job. Number 2. Look carefully. Now try 2. T-W-O. 2. Well done. Next, can you see number 3? Now try 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Amazing. Look closely at number 4. Now try 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Awesome. Number 5. Look closely. Now try 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Fantastic. Carefully look at number 6. Now try 6. I-X. 6. Excellent. Let's see number 7. Easy. Now try 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Great job. Take a close look at number 8. Now try 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Well done. Next, can you see number 9? Now try 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Amazing. Last one. Number 10. Now try 10. N-T-E-N. 10. Yay, well done. Brainy Bunnies, you did amazing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Hop, hop.